So that jump scare was pretty spooky, right? Well, imagine trying to do that jump scare in VR. Basically, that's what me and my friend TallSoap did, except it's Thomas the Train. So yeah, this is TallSoap's first time being on the channel, or first person other than me on the channel, so yeah, it's pretty cool. Hope you enjoy!
Okay, I'm gonna try this Thomas the Tank Engine VR horror. Yeah, that's really weird, but let's try it. I'm really curious. Ooh, that's pretty nice. I have no idea what that is, but that's cool. Okay. I'm actually kind of terrified right now.
It's Thomas the Tank Engine. How scary can it be?
Well, I know there's gonna be jump scares.
Okay, there's blood. Ooh, that's scary.
Thomas
the
creepy.
creepy engine. Oh.
Okay. Is this in VR or no? I don't think it is. Ah!
Okay.
So scary.
There's blood.
Oh no. Oh crap.
Okay.
Now
Now it's pieces of Thomas.
Oh yeah, there is. Okay, I am. This is scary. I don't like this. I really.
Oh, there's a light.
Where?
On the other side. Maybe.
Oh no! Oh crap! Oh!
That is actually freaky.
That is actually like nightmare fuel. No! What are those sounds? Please. Oh no.
Oh jeez.
Oh, please. Ah! Oh my! Oh, that scared me so bad. Oh no. Okay. Please, not another jump scare, please. Oh no.
Oh my god.
What is with his mouth?
Actually freaky.
What is with that mouth? Okay. No. Oh my! Oh my god! That is scary. No. Oh, why am I walking? Wait, am I on the train? I hear like train noises.
I don't think so.
Yeah, I don't think so either. But oh, what is? Oh no! No, please. Behind. Oh no. I don't like this. Ugh.
How long is this?
I forgot to check. No, why am I going here? Yeah, I am on a train.
Okay. There's flashing.
Oh crap.
Oh, that noise. I could hear it from here.
Oh no, please no. What is that face?
I can't even see anything. It's so dark. Oh! No, I can. See, it's not like super white and pale. And
That's creepy.
Oh no.
No, please, no. Please, no. Oh my!
Oh
no.
Oh jeez.
Oh crap. What?
Okay.
No. I do not like how that's staring at me. Or it's not like, oh, I just don't like that. Oh, am I in like a?
Oh no, there's the weird Thomas. Oh, what's gonna happen? Why do I feel like there's gonna be a jump scare?
Oh no.
Oh, it's gone black again.
I'm looking down. What's that?
I don't know, what is it? He disappeared.
No, he's right there.
Oh.
I mean the other creepy one. Oh my god! Oh,
that even scared me.
Okay. Do you want to do that?
I don't know.
That was actually kind of fun, no joke. So, okay. If TallSoap wants to do it, it's his turn.
I don't think I'll ever be able to see Thomas the Tank Engine the same way again.
Alright,
it's
starting
the same way ever
a lot bigger.
Yeah, I know. wood and everything happened, so this won't be as bad.
Oh, yeah.
Even then, I'm kind of blurring it a little, so it won't be as bad.
Oh, there's actually 3 blood spots in it, or 2 or 3. I don't realize that.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, jeez.
Okay. Starting.
Oh my god, I'm actually scared of Thomas.
Yeah.
Oh, whoops. I don't want to do this. Please. Please just. Oh god. Okay, everything went dark. Oh, god, that was. That was freaky.
Why were you holding the headset?
Okay, he's right there. Oh my god, I. So it's blurring, so I can't see it as well. So
Oh.
it's not as good. Oh,
Yeah,
whoops.
I think it's because it's too tight or too loose.
No, it's fine. It's fine. I'm good. Okay, it just went right past.
Oh.
I remember this part.
I think one of the scariest part was just the jail cells.
Okay, those are red pipes. I thought that was like blood stains before.
No, it's just red pipes. I just hate how it goes like black and it's like.
I know.
I would
Okay,
either.
just did it again.
One time I got jump scared more from it because I closed my eyes. So when I opened them, a jump scare happened and it made it more creepy since I had my eyes closed.
Oh crap! This almost. Oh god, why?
I just kept looking around like crazy, like
Screams.
I'm surprised you're not looking around like crazy. That's what I did. Like I kept looking behind.
Oh yep, he's following me.
Oh yeah, the jail cells are kind of creepy.
Oh jeez. Oh my god, those weird jail cells. Yeah.
Oh, this is the most unsettling part.
Why is there crying? Oh no. Okay. Nothing. Oh my god. I know I'm at the end.
I can't wait for the last jump scare.
I know it turns black before that. Oh god, it's happening. Nope. Not yet.
Any moment now.
Please just. Oh god. Oh jeez.
Okay, that was it. You got.
shaking.
Even though you already watched it. Hope you liked the video. Yeah. That was fun, I guess. If you want more VR horror, we can do that. And I think that's it.